Imagine yourself in this Kia 2020 Telluride S. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 291 horsepower, 3.8-liter V6 DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel and automatic transmission. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.